guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making rhubarb crumble with a twist, so do not move and I will be right back with this amazing recipe. See you in a bit. Okay guys, so the ingredients you need are all listed below and they would also be at the description box, so do check it out and let's get baking. Right, so we need some rhubarb obviously, however I only found some green ones, so I've got a little tip of how you will make this all go red, so just keep watching and you'll find out. Right, so pour in your rhubarb into your pot on a low heat and then add in some mixed berries. I love some mangoes, so you can see there's some mangoes in my smoothie mix, and again pouring in some sugar, and then we're just going to mix it together with some spatula on the low heat. This berries, obviously using these berries will make the rhubarb go all red, okay, because that gives it that color. Doesn't matter whether it's green or red, it tastes exactly the same, but I just love to see the red color coming through. Okay, do have some cinnamon and vanilla extract. I am sorry, I guess I forgot to record that, or I don't know what happened to my clip, but adding some vanilla and vanilla extract and cinnamon, and oh my gosh, it will take it to another level. Okay, I'm just pouring in some plain flour and some sugar, and again some brown sugar and some butter. Okay, and then just mix that together. I love to use my hands, some people love to use a mixer. I want to feel it, it's just amazing. And I will be making some big and some small lumps because I like my crumble to have a nice crunch to it. I love the crunch in there. Okay, I just added a little bit of brown sugar again because it has a bit of crunch, and I am using some walnuts. Again, it's down to you if you want to, it's not a necessity, but I love it. And what I'm doing now is pouring in all my stewed fruit. Look at that color. Where is the green, guys? Yep, I told you it will disappear. And look how beautiful they are. Okay, and what I'm doing now is just pouring in the crumble mix that we made earlier all over it. When it's all done, you will just see the berries and the rhubarb coming over. Absolutely divine. Okay, so good. And you can see the lumpy ones, and you can see ones that haven't got so much of a lump as well, as I said earlier. Okay, and the next thing is I'm pouring in some oats in there. Again, it's not a must, I just love to use oats in mine because again it gives it that crunch, and some walnuts as well because I want it a little bit nutty. I'm a bit nutty, so there we are. So bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees and then you get this amazing looking dessert which is just divine. Okay, you can have it with custard, you can have it with cream, you can have it with ice cream. I love it with rum and raisin ice cream. Yes, I said it, rum and raisin ice cream. Try it guys and you would literally thank me for life. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and join where you get amazing recipes every single week, and don't forget to like and comment as well, and I will see you in my next video. So do stay tuned and stay sweet. Bye.